Bekungakavunyelwa ukuthi kucoshwe tidvumbu temsolwa njengoba kusamele ukuthi kwendiwe luhlelo lwekufaniswa. Nalabo bakhona ngekhathi enkantolo bengavumeleki ukuthi baphebule tidvumbu.
The accusers linked via eyewitnesses as well as video footage, Your Worship. At this stage, as indicated, Ms. Mkabe will be coming on record for the accused, Your Worship. At this stage, the state will request a postponement in terms of section 50 subsection 6 for a 7-day postponement, Your Worship, to obtain the accuser's bail information as well as to verify his address, Your Worship.
Umbuso usola ukuthi lokubulawa kwalabo labasithupha kuhleliwe kanti tidvumbu titfolakele lana. Lesinye sale tidvumbu sitfolakele ngemva kwalomnyango. Bangane nalabo basonzele nabo sebane kwesaba.
Basohlole babonala. Yes, nirele warrant.
Uthi bayati ukuthi batobonakala lento lendekile iyabathusa abasakhona nekusebenta sebahlala bathukile.
Cause like cause like o tla re bitsetsang batho ba bang ba ntlhaloganya.
Isonke sex workers movement ithi lokubula kuyimiphumela ekwehluleka kwahulumende kwena kube semthethweni kutsengisa ngemtimba.
We are encouraging them to say, come forth, bring your stories, we believe in you. Then that's what the investigation now is going to be turning, because we are suspecting, because based on what we heard yesterday, it's more than 13 women that are missing. So out of 13, only 6 is being identified.
I-NPA iqinisekisile ukuthi lomsolwa lelicala ukugadla lambanzanyeka kulo futhi.
We can confirm as the NPA that though 6 female bodies were discovered, at this present moment the accused is charged with only 1 count of murder. Reasons being with the current evidence that is contained in the docket.
Lelicala yobiyela enkantolo mhla tilishumi nesiphohlongo kulenyanga lesetulo.